Hi, my name is Priyanshu और आप देख रहे हैं Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the assignments of computer science. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing our PDF and handwritten assignments. If you need a personal tutor, so you can contact also. And number is 900936823. You can message us. And the question number 3B is one of the most important skills an entrepreneur must have is the soft skills. List out any four major skills that come under soft skills. So we have given the answers and we are providing all the answers in the PDF, and we have solved all the answers according to the lesson and the word limits. If you need answer of this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp, so we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.